Hollywood is changing, and AI is taking over. AI-generated scripts, deepfake actors, and AI-powered editing. Can AI replace human creativity? Here's what you need to know in 60 seconds. AI in Hollywood. AI is already here. 1. AI writes scripts in minutes. 2. Deepfake tech recreates actors' faces and voices. 3. AI-enhanced VFX and film editing save time and money. Can AI replace actors? AI doesn't age, needs no salary, and can work 24/7. But AI lacks human emotion and improvisation. Can AI replace directors? AI predicts hit movies and optimizes shots. But storytelling needs human intuition and creativity. Biggest AI challenges. 1. Ethical concerns over deep fakes. 2. Job losses for actors and writers. 3. Who owns AI-generated content? Final thoughts: will AI enhance filmmaking or completely take over?
Let us know in the comments.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI insights.